welcome back everybody to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Eli here with my friend Chef Kim. Today we're making one of our boldest bowls yet. This is our Thai chili glazed chicken quinoa bowl. This features Gold Creek grilled chicken bites tossed in a sweet Kikkoman Thai-style chili sauce. This is paired with carrots, cucumbers, and fluffy quinoa for a globally inspired lunch option. This is a colorful, craveable dish that brings international flavor to your school menu. Chef, you ready to work?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
And that's our Thai chili glazed chicken quinoa bowl. It's sweet, tangy, packed with protein, and brings a modern global flavor to the tray. This recipe provides 2 ounces of meat alternate, 2 ounce whole grain, a 1/4 cup red orange vegetable, and a 1/4 cup other vegetable. You'll find this one in the Healthy Pro System recipe number 1792959. Thanks for spending time with us at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. We'll see you next time.